Where'd Chris go? We'll follow all these guys to the kill house. You're gonna go to the alleyway? Okay, follow these guys. Let's go. I'm out? Oh, okay. There we go. Look at Sammy. I got hit by a grenade in there. There's a lot of them. You wanna go this way? Let's go. Let's go around the bus. Chris, let's go in the bank. What? Let's go in the bank and see if the window's open so we can shoot at them. Ready? Go. There's one right down there. Hit. Five-man spot, let's go. Is there anybody in that room? Or teammate? Here. Yeah, you can see them. I'm gonna pop up, okay? Oh, they're on top of the roof, 2-story. They're on the 2-story. Be careful of that. Shit. There's one right across. Oh shit! Right down to the window. 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 Right down to the Hey, Sammy, be careful.
Let's get out of here. Yeah.
How much guys are in there? Okay. Where do you want to go? You want to flank around?
What?
Flank around?
Yeah.
Ready? Holy crap, there's a lot of them back there. Hey, I got one. I got one. I'm out. You got one? Oh, look out, look out. Frick. Careful. There's an MP7 aiming right at you. I got one, I got one. Your turn, go. Yeah.
Okay.
You need it?
No, not yet.
I might need it soon. After this clip. I need to reload. Oh my god, you scared the crap out of me. Dude, you could get a bunch of them from over here. Just hang on. Wait, no, don't go that way. No, no. Those are teammates, those are teammates. These are all teammates. Where'd Sammy go? Hey, I'm gonna move up, Chris, okay? I'm coming through your fire.
Keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Coming through. Hey, coming through. Are you out? Get down. Let's move up. You wanna move up? Like just book it?
You got like your
This guy right here? You wanna do it? Yeah? Okay, stack up on this guy. I see him. Stay against the wall, stay against the wall. first step is to walk right there. Huh? Oh, we're gonna try to move up. So
You got rifles at the end of the cars shooting straight this way.
okay.
So if you will, stay low.
Yeah. Okay, so you hear that? We're gonna go right there, okay?
Shoot up, shoot up, more.
Ready? Well, you lead. Hey, Chris. Is there someone right down there? Oh shit! Hit it! Damn it. And they ended up flanking us. Let's move up and let's bomb rush them. You want to just run?
No, we'll just get out.
It's worth a try.
No, we'll just get out.
Where do you want to go then? You want to go inside the You want to go inside the bank? And see what's going on through the window. There's guys in there. Hey, there's friendlies in there. Yeah, wait. They're all out.
Try to hold those windows.
There's a friendly in there. Oh. There's friendlies in there, in the room. But be careful the window. The window. Crouch. They're out. Crouch.
Get down, get down, get down.
Moving up. Hey. There's one right there. Cover my right. Cover my right, okay? You want bomb rush? You guys want bomb rush?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, move up to the building. Just wait, there's a lot of them down there.
Okay, we need to go to those bunkers right there.
There's guys in there. Holy crap. right there in that wooden pallet. There's actually two, I think, in there. Stay low, stay low.
Run right over there, and then just surrender.
And what?
Okay.
Wait. There's a guy in the wooden pallet, and there's a guy right
Get down.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, Chris.
Hey, cover my right. They're right there. They're moving up on us. Hey, I'm just gonna move in on them, okay? I'm just gonna rush. Hey, Sammy, I'm gonna rush, okay? Yeah? Ready? Okay, I'm gonna go. 3, 2, wait.
Yeah, no.
Let's go. Right down there around, okay? You wanna follow me? Okay, ready? Okay, I'm gonna go. 3, 2, 1. Hit. Nice job. Oh my God. Oh my shit. We would have said okay.
You know what to do now. Okay.
Bitch.
That guy there was trying to pull the wood. Not shot in the face, it's definitely time.
Oh.
He's like, yeah, I'm not calling that out.
You want it? Wanna go in the kill house? Seems like Jamie. Damn. No, not hit. Just look out, they're right at the window.
How about the door right there? Who's got the zip out the door? Is that him or us?
Yeah, that's us. Hey, someone move up right here.
Hey, one of our guys moving through, don't shoot him.
You guys want to push in one by one? Push it one by one.
There was one guy I think got moved out, and he got one in there, but there was a guy that went in there and closed the door, so I'm guessing it's all right. I gotta see him myself, I don't know that. Alright, I need a line of people, we're gonna bear it, hit this wall down, alright, let's go.
We're gonna just walk in?
No, I was joking, I was saying we're gonna get a lot of people and hit the wall down.
I mean, I'd like to go like this, like while people just go in.
Alright, go.
Oh shit, there's a guy right there,
Right there.
Watch that window,
Okay, window.
Hey, let me come through. Thanks.
We're up! Who's coming? Hey!
Jesus.
Clear there. Oh, this guy's fucking running around the alley. Oh my god. Guys, some of you guys take this room. Get in this room right now. Watch this window right here. Come to the window. We're pushing next room!
Okay, let's go. Be careful that window,
Go.
I got the window, go.
What?
For grenades. Watch out for grenades.
Are they spawning on that side? Yeah. Go.